Alright, in this video we are going to make holographic window clings, and these are awesome. They don't stick. There's no sticky on the back of this, so you know it's easy to take on and off the windows. It's great for temporary, seasonal decorations. You know, that holographic rainbow really comes through in the sunlight, and it's cheap. It's just off of Amazon. It's not letting me peel here. There's no stick to it. It just sticks to the glass. So it's very clean, easy to put on, easy to put off, no sticky residue. And you can see that the sun's coming in the right spot here. You can see it really does rainbow really well. I'll try to get a picture, but I'm really struggling to. And I will link it below. You can see the textured pattern on there. Super easy, super cheap, you know, nothing fancy, no resins, you just need vinyl, this cling, and some sort of device to cut them, whether it be your Cricut, your Silhouette, however you want to cut it. You can cut it by hand if you really feel like it. I'm not that talented, but here you go. Trying this voiceover again for the third time. When I recorded it live, it didn't work. So this is an old design that I got from Design Bundles forever ago, probably on one of their $1 deals. And I just want half of it because I just want it to kind of sit against, you know, against the window. So I'm just made a box and I've highlighted both items and I'm just going to slice it. This is a pretty easy thing to get rid of this way. It's the quickest, fastest way, and I'm just going to delete everything on the bottom that I don't want. This will kind of make the design two separate pieces, so I can delete it. Make it darker so it's easier to see. Now I just want to set an outline so that the black, the piece you see now will be cut out of foil, and the black outline, the next outline we're going to cut out of the window cling material. I think 1/4 of an inch is a good size for this because I want quite a bit of the outline to show. If you see here, if your outline isn't big enough, you're going to get little pieces in the middle, and we don't want that for this. We just want it to be one solid background. So if you do have this happen, like you've got a simple design, and this happens, it's very simple. You just go to contour and you're just going to click out all those little pieces so that we don't have those cuts, and it's just going to make it one big solid piece. You can see that here. When I move it away, it's just one big solid piece. So in this case, I actually want it a little bit bigger than that because I want the holographic cling to show kind of really around the design. So I'm just going to reset it to 0.25. My mouse is doing weird things. It's kind of got a delay in it sometimes. Something's wrong with the connection on it. There it goes. My fridge is beeping and I don't know why. So you can see the background here, that gray portion, that's what I'm going to cut out of the window cling. And the black portion is what I'm going to cut out of the foil material. Alright, so I have cut out of, this is like a not holographic, it's just it's a foil, that's what it is, a foil gold. And I've cut this out of my window cling. So when I cut this one out, I was kind of a little bit too lazy to go and try multiple settings, so I just used the same holographic setting that I used for this one on this one, and I just ran it 3 times. If you're going to do that, just make sure that you don't eject the mat from your Cricut maker. You just keep pressing the C, the go button, and it will cut the exact same lines. And I think it took 3. It is quite thick. If I might play around with settings and see what actually cuts it. But for now, there's that. I've got my transfer paper. Which already I bunged up. I get these off of Amazon. They've got a little felt on them. I like how they just glide. They glide nicer than trying to use straight plastic. I've never used this transfer tape before. Oh no. No. Okay. So far. Okay, it's gonna fight me a little bit, so I might cut the camera. Oh, I think I forgot to record all of that. Okay, so the window cling material wants to roll, so I've stuck it down to this Cricut mat, and I have just to keep it flat, and I've just added my decal, and just the window cling is a little bit textured. That's how it gets that holographic look, and I've just used this felted brayer and really worked it in, and I'm just going to peel off my transfer tape slowly. The other nice thing about keeping this, putting it on a mat, is it's a little bit easier to get your transfer tape off. This is actually quite a sticky transfer tape. I bet you could reuse this one a couple times. And I'm going to carefully peel that off the mat. And there we go. Literally, this is so quick and easy. And I am just going to stick it to the window and show you how it looks. And because the window cling isn't sticky on the back, it's easily removable. So that's it. Just off and on.